Hello my beautiful people, hope you're all feeling great today. Welcome back to your channel MB Natural Remedies, where we cover a wide range of alternative and natural health and fitness solutions. Today I'm bringing you the best green smoothie recipe for rapid weight loss and fat burn in only 3 days. I will show you what you need for the ingredients, how to make it and how often you ought to drink it. So before we crack on with the details, make sure you show the channel some love and support. It is essential so that we can keep on working hard to bring you the best contents that will make a huge difference in your lives. Subscribe, donate, like, and press the bell for notifying you of new and more videos. Drop us your feedback, experience, and results. Spread and share the video to help many people be the best versions of themselves and live healthier and fulfilled lives. So without further ado, let's begin. At day 1 and day 3, measure your weight and your waistline circumference. Best green smoothie recipe for rapid fat burn and weight loss at home. This recipe is very easy to make. You can easily find its ingredients in your local grocery shop. This is how to make the green smoothie for fast weight loss and fat burn. Ingredients: 1 cup of strawberries, 4 cups of raw spinach, half cup of raw pumpkin, 1 large peeled orange, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, 4 dried prunes, 1 to 2 cups of water, or for an extra boost, green tea. Instructions: 1. Blend all ingredients until smooth, then drink. 2. Store in the fridge to drink later. Important note: take just a glass of the green smoothie 2 times daily with plenty of water for 3 consecutive days to lose up to 10 pounds of weight at home. At day 1 and day 3, measure your weight and your waistline circumference. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The best green smoothie recipe for weight loss and fat burn at home in just 3 days. If you enjoyed the video and find it helpful to you, then press the like button. Give us your feedback and experience after trying the green smoothie. Share the video with your family and friends. Make sure you subscribe and press the bell so that you don't miss any new videos, and stay notified for more awesome videos. Donate if you can. This will really help the channel grow strong. Show us you care and help keep us going. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one soon.